How to recover deleted post on Facebook. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. And if you accidentally deleted any post from your Facebook account, then don't worry. Here in this video I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how you can actually recover any deleted Facebook post easily. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to recover a deleted Facebook post, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the Facebook app from your phone, and from the home page go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the top right. Now once you're here inside the profile, go and tap on this three-dot line at the top left, and then go ahead and expand the settings and privacy option. If you expand this one, you'll get to see the settings option at the very top. You can tap on settings and this will get into the settings and privacy, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit, and under the your activity you'll get to see the first option, activity log. You can tap on this and this will get into the activity log, and you'll get to see the trash option. If you tap on the trash, here you get to see all the deleted posts that you have done on your Facebook account so far. So I have recently deleted a post right here, you'll get to see, so you can actually select that, or if you want to recover multiple, you'll get to see the option to select that one as well. And once you're done, you'll get to see the restore button at the bottom. You can tap on restore and tap on restore, and the post will be restored to your account. If I get back from here, if I get back to the profile and refresh the page a little bit, and if I scroll down, you'll get to see the post has been back. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.